Hello. In this video, I'll show you a fast and reliable way to get followers on X. Right now, my profile has 0 followers, but this method will help us grow that number quickly. First, open your browser and head to rapidboost.net. This site is perfect for growing your social media profiles. To add followers on X, go to the menu in the top right corner, select X, and tap Followers. Next, decide how many followers you'd like to add. For this example, I'll pick 1,000 followers, which is an excellent way to give your profile a boost. Now, open the X app and go to your profile. Your username is shown after the @ symbol. Write down the part after the @ symbol and carefully type it into the field on the website. Double-check for accuracy before clicking the next button. On the summary page, fill in your email, first name, and last name. Once you've entered all the details, confirm your order by selecting Place Order. I'll take care of the payment now, and in just a short time we'll check the results together. As shown, my X profile now has over 1,000 followers, and this method was both fast and reliable. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.